Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money and invite friends easily on Promise. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first of all, Promise is an app where you can earn money easily. You have to complete tasks near your location, and then you can get money by completing those tasks, mostly surveys, and then you can cash out that money through PayPal, Coinbase, or mobile top up. So this is a really simple and easy way to earn money. And then you can invite friends through the app. If you click on the account option, which is at the bottom of the screen, then you can see the invite friends to join Promise option. Click on that, and here you can see that you can send this invitation through messages, WhatsApp or Instagram or Gmail, Messenger. So it's really simple and easy way to do that. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.